If you want every new document in Microsoft Word to open with your favorite font already set, this video is going to save you time every single day. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change the default font in Microsoft Word in just a few clicks, so you don't have to keep adjusting it manually each time you start a new file. This is perfect if you always use the same font for school, work, reports, resumes, or personal documents. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and make sure you're on the Home tab. This is where you'll find the font controls, and it's the easiest place to start. Now look for the font section on the ribbon. In the bottom right corner of that section, you'll see a tiny arrow, sometimes called the Dialog box launcher. Go ahead and click that little arrow to open the full font dialog box. There's also a shortcut you can use, which is Ctrl+D, and that will take you to the same place a lot faster. Once the font dialog box opens, you'll see all the options for changing your font preferences. Here you can choose the font type you want to use as your default. Maybe you want Times New Roman, Arial, Calibri, or another font that fits your style. You can also choose the font style like regular, italic, or bold, and then set the size you want for your new default. Take your time here and make sure the settings match exactly what you want, because this is what Word will use for new documents going forward. After you've selected your preferred font, style, and size, look at the bottom left corner of the dialog box. You should see a button that says Set as Default. This is the key step because it tells Microsoft Word that you want these settings to become the standard for future documents. Click Set as Default, and Word will ask whether you want to apply the change to this document only or to all documents based on the normal template. If you want this font to become your permanent default, choose the option for all documents based on the normal template. Then confirm your choice, and that's it. Your default font is now changed. The next time you open a blank document in Microsoft Word, it should start with the font settings you just picked. This is a great way to keep your documents consistent and save time every time you type. If you ever want to change it again, just repeat the same steps. Open the font dialog, choose a new font, and set it as default one more time. It's a simple process, but it makes a big difference if you use Word regularly. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Microsoft Word tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.